This particular car was sold new through Doncaster Motors in Victoria. This vehicle has travelled only 1,200 kilometres since new. This example was won as a prize at the Crown Casino in Melbourne. However, the winner was unable to drive manual. It was garaged and rarely driven. Presenting in Boston green over black interior, this example is as new. The E36 was an extremely successful marque for BMW. The IS model was the top of the range for the 4 cylinders, with a 103 kilowatt inline 4-cylinder, which was the highest output engine available. Paired with a smooth 5-speed transmission, these vehicles are a pleasure to drive. With such low mileage and in perfect condition, this is without a doubt one of the best examples in the country.